What's up, guys? AK with DCC train. This is Rocco new passenger car like this. Show you right there. Yeah, and bring popcorn. You might need it. The body, like top, a little bit different, depends on the class. See, it's like second class, first and second, and this is second. Top camera back. And I don't have my finger codes yet because it's just the bottom, no problem. And I need my fingernails like a tool. This holder connector for the coupler, one here and one here. So we need to get result like this. And now 4 wheels, they have pickups. All days, again, identical everything compared to older cars. They have a kit with bulbs and like a small spring here made of some brass type of material, kind of spring. So this axle, one wheel is insulated, the other one is not. One point here, so we have one wheel pickup, same thing on the other side. 25 years ago it was so cool. Yeah, lights in the car, details the same as right now, which is didn't change anything, but lights so good, flickering, but who cares? Right now we in 2025 with LEDs. Actually, I'm putting ESU bar with decoder and capacitor, energy saver, sort of, kind of. Let's go over tools real quick and I'll show you what I did. So what you need a Dremel, means something similar to Dremel with a bit like that already and like this. Just easy to work. But I'm using staplers to hold these guys. CA, I'm using only Loctite Professional. Pliers like that. I'll show you why. Means any pliers, but those flat, very nice. Of course, cutters to cut that stapler. Okay. Tweezers, we're going to use it in a minute. File like that. Okay. Any flat file. Not sure if Tamiya still makes it. It's like mini saw. Let's take the small spring. Video 4K, so you can see probably details. And OBS, if you guys using OBS and if it's not working well, so I guess they did another like 3 updates very quick in a row. It's a spring here, taking the wheel, okay, carefully. There we go. Insulation, no insulation. This is like small lock, I'm not sure, like holder. So that thing is no spring, so it's very freely, okay. To yank it, I'm going to the side, one of the side, and just like pushing it, and oh, done. Okay, now I'm taking everything out. Okay, that's the ESU pickup right here. How I'm putting it together, I'm putting CA with this CA right there. That thing, it's kind of probably cleaning it, and whatever it's doing, it's getting better contact. just plastic, not that, because this is like the board material for electronics. Okay, then the point is that area exactly to the border of that circle, like exactly, boom, right there. Okay, that's my measurement. Means it's going a little bit, half millimeter this way, half millimeter this way, no big deal, right? But that's crucial. So then when it's glue, I'll wait probably like doing something 10 minutes at least. I'm taking this, making 2 holes, just manually, no biggie. And then I'm taking one stapler, right? Just one stapler. This is the best tool to bend. It's also Tamiya. Yeah, still Tamiya, I hope, around. Taking that and making this thing, all right? Putting it through, and with the same pliers, I'm just squeezing like no tomorrow. So these guys almost flat with that surface, okay? Almost, but I don't want any surprises. I'm taking Dremel, the small Dremel bit, and just making a little bit like a small pocket for it, like a hole, just in case. All right, now I'm going to do measurements and make it like close up, so in the future, this is modified and this is original. Let me put it like next to here in that square. This is square inch. I think it brings me idea in the future. 1.5 millimeters from this notch or whatever. Then about 2 millimeters, better millimeter from, yeah, about almost 2 millimeters from here. So that thing needs to be clean. Nice. So what I'm doing, I'm cutting, I'm not gonna do it, I'm just showing. So I'm cutting, like making my cutting point here, and then I'm taking Dremel, actually cutting here, then I'm cutting this guy, the whole piece of meat here, right? And this is fast. Then I'm taking Dremel and start trimming a little bit. But that's what I'm going to measure right now. Yeah, that thickness, that's the crucial. Yeah, from here to here. And this is averaging probably. It's almost like millimeter and 0.05. An assembly is very easy. Of course, when AK is saying it easy, it's not. No, it is. First, I'm just putting this guy through wires. What I like to do, I like to do like a batch. Probably 3 cars, all couplers, all modifications, assembly, then putting LEDs, stuff like this. It depends. Should be not really tiring me. Okay, so now I can squeeze that with the wheel. What I'm doing right now, it's impossible. No, literally impossible. Now I'm positioning this because there is like a small like point sticking out, okay? But now it needs to be locked. So what I'm doing, I'm moving it one of the corners, squeezing it. That's it. Nice, and putting spring. Here we go. So going this way. Yes. Completed. This is Flashman. Those same pickups, and I have 4 contacts at like 90%. All right, works great. All right, guys, thanks for watching. There is link in on top of it, and I'll put link later when the video process. Thanks for watching, and have a good one. Bye bye.